Protests continue over Kolkata rape and murder case. High drama was witnessed at the Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata. In a rare sight, fans of rival sports clubs, the football teams East Bengal and Mohun Bagan, held a joint protest seeking justice for the victim doctor in the rape and murder case at the city's R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital. Doctors continue to hold their protests. We've had solidarity protests in the national capital as well, where doctors held an awareness march from Rajiv Chowk for the rape and murder victim. Now, Supreme Court, meanwhile, has also taken cognizance of the rape and murder. A bench led by Chief Justice D.Y. Chandrachud is likely to hear the matter on Tuesday. Meanwhile, the CBI team questioned the principal of Kolkata's R.G. Kar Medical College and Hospital for the third consecutive day. Kolkata police has also issued summons to former BJP MP Lokit Chatterjee and two renowned doctors for allegedly spreading rumors related to the murder case.
As you can see behind me, we're outside Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata, wherein the fans of East Bengal and Mohun Bagan, the two teams, football teams in Kolkata, are present here for demanding for justice and protesting against the gruesome rape and murder of this young trainee doctor at R.G. Kar Medical Hospital. There is immense security forces present here. There is rapid action forces present here. Kolkata police present here. The fans of these football teams are right now being detained by Kolkata police in this football match in the Durand Cup between two of the fiercest Kolkata rivals was cancelled in the backdrop of this protest over the doctor's gruesome rape and murder at the hospital. And this galvanizes a fresh political controversy between, these deeply polarized supporters in what could be termed a rare unity between the fans of these two football teams. These two football teams have known to never meet eye to eye. However, today they come together for a cause, and the cause is that of women's safety in West Bengal and across the country as well. East Bengal and Mohun Bagan are two of India's oldest football clubs, and they were set to renew their rivalry today at Salt Lake Stadium. As you can see here, the police and the RAF forces, the Rapid Action Forces, are seen chasing the protesters who are the fans of these football clubs in Kolkata. The protest had raised major security concerns, because of which the Durand Cup match between Mohun Bagan and East Bengal were cancelled.
एक भारतीय नारी के ऊपर अत्याचार हुआ है। इस अत्याचार जो कोई वर्ड नहीं है इस अत्याचार को एक्सप्लेन कर सके, और हम लोग यहाँ पर एकदम शांतिपूर्ण प्रतिवाद कर रहे थे, और ये पुलिस लोग इन जैसे एजुकेटेड जो अच्छे लोग हैं, आदमी जो इस समाज का इंटेलेक्चुअल पर्सन है, उनके ऊपर लाठीचार्ज किया। बिना कोई कारण नहीं है, बिना कारण का लाठीचार्ज किया। बहुत महिला के ऊपर लाठीचार्ज किया।
ये लड़ाई सिर्फ ईस्ट बंगाल मोहन बागान की नहीं है, ये पूरा भारतीय का लड़ाई है। ये आपका एक लड़की के ऊपर अत्याचार हुआ। हम लोग का जो फेमस डर्बी है, जो इतना सालों से मोहन बागान ईस्ट बंगाल का पूरा दर्शक यहाँ पे आके जमा होता है, खेला एंजॉय करता है, वो रातों रात बंद कर दिया। ऊपर से हम लोग के ऊपर जो भी आ रहा था यहाँ पे सबका ऊपर लाठीचार्ज किया, सबको गाली दिया। ठीक है, किसी का फ्लैग के ऊपर से पाँव ओढ़ के चला गया, वो किसी को अरेस्ट किया, किसी को ऊपर किसी को फोन करके धमकी दिया कि ये मिचिल वगैरह मत कीजिएगा, ये आपका जमायत मत कीजिएगा। ये सब किया है कोलकाता पुलिस, विधाननगर पुलिस सब मिलके।